Hey everyone, Cameron here. In this video, we're opening a section that wasn't available earlier in the dashboard walkthrough, Sellvia Market, specifically the Sell tab. This section is designed for store owners who want to list their e-commerce business for sale and connect with buyers who are looking for established stores. Now, let's open up the Sell section and see how it works. The first thing to know is that this section becomes available only for stores that have reached certain performance tiers. Access to the Sell tab unlocks once the store reaches one of these tiers: Plus, Advanced, Pro, or Elite. These tiers reflect store activity and growth, so the marketplace focuses on stores that already have some operational history. Once a store reaches one of these levels, the Sell section becomes available inside the dashboard. There's also another requirement before a store can be listed. The store must be at least 60 days old. This time period allows for the platform to collect enough performance data such as traffic, orders, and revenue so potential buyers can review how the store has been performing. If the store is younger than 60 days, the listing cannot be published yet. But instead of simply waiting, there's an option called Preapproval. If the store hasn't reached the 60-day mark yet, the Sell page shows a pop-up offering to pre-approve the listing. This allows the store owner to submit the listing in advance. Once the store reaches the required 60-day age, the listing can now move forward automatically. During this period, the idea isn't to wait, it's to prepare the store for sale. Once a listing is pre-approved, the Sell section starts showing additional information about the upcoming listing. First, the page displays the current estimated business value and how many days remain before the store becomes eligible for the marketplace. This countdown helps track when the store will reach the 60-day age and when the listing can go live. Below that, there is a settings block. This section allows the seller to define several key parameters for the future listing, including things like the pricing strategy and payout terms. These settings play an important role because they help define the final selling price and how the transaction will be structured once a buyer is found. Most sellers aim to list their store at the highest possible price. One of the key factors affecting the selling price is the store's estimated business value, or EBV. This metric reflects the overall value of the business based on its activity and performance. Besides the Sell section, EBV is displayed in a separate dashboard section where it is shown with the details and the points that affect it. So, before listing a store on the marketplace, many sellers focus on improving their store metrics: customer service performance, business growth, product range, and brand credibility. All of these factors can contribute to a higher estimated business value. Once the store has reached the 60-day mark and the listing is published, the Sell section starts showing additional information about the store listing. At this stage, the page displays the estimated selling price for the store, along with several key details buyers typically look at. These key details include information like total sales, profit, and business age. These metrics help present the store as a structured business rather than just a website. From here, it's also possible to check how the listing appears to potential buyers. There is a View Listing button available on the page. When you click it, a small window appears asking where the listing should be opened. The system shows two different options: View in Sellvia Dashboard and View on Sellvia Market. After selecting one of these options, the listing opens in a new tab. This page shows the full presentation of the store, including screenshots, an executive store summary, and key performance data. These elements help buyers understand what the store includes and how it has been performing. Now, let's return to the Sell section and scroll down. Below the settings area, there is a list of visibility boosters. These boosters are designed to improve how the listing is displayed inside the Sellvia Market. They help the store appear in more visible positions within the marketplace, making it easier for potential buyers to discover the listing. For sellers, this can increase the chances of attracting attention and receiving offers from interested buyers. The Sellvia Market creates a place where store owners and buyers can meet. Some entrepreneurs are looking for a ready-to-run e-commerce business, while others prefer to build and grow a store before selling it. The Sell section supports this process by providing a structured way to prepare and publish a store listing. So that's an overview of the Sellvia Market Sell section. It explains who can access the marketplace, what requirements must be met, and how store owners can prepare their business before listing it for sale. In the next videos, we'll continue exploring other parts of the Sellvia dashboard and how they support different stages of running and growing an e-commerce store. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.